Children, first question is there like this. See here, first question. So children, we are doing today applications of trigonometry, some numerical children. First question is there like this. They are saying that a vertical tower stand on a horizontal plane. A vertical tower stand on horizontal plane. A vertical tower stand on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical tower. This is vertical tower. On that, a flagstaff is there. A flagstaff is there. A flagstaff. The height of the flagstaff is h. Okay, and the point on the plane, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of the staff, flagstaff, bottom and top. Okay, bottom and top, the angle of elevations are alpha and beta. This is alpha, this is beta. Okay, what we have to prove? Prove that height of tower. Prove that this is required to prove, children. Height of the tower, we have to prove it as h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. This is the question. Children, this is x, this is b.
B.
Whatever we are taking should not be there in final equation. Whatever we are taking should not be there in final equation.
Sir, can I see?
Yeah, done. For the original triangle A, B, C, for the original triangle A, B, C, what is
Tan
tan
beta
beta?
is equal to h plus x by b.
Yeah, a lot of disturbance is there. Good.
Not from mine, sir, from Surya Kala's mic.
Suryakala and this girl, they don't understand anything.
Yes, sir, can I see?
Sorry, man, I thought it's you. No, tell me. Now I
Tan
want ABC
alpha is equal to x by b.
and alpha is equal to x by b.
Substitute.
H plus x is equal to
Beta into tan beta.
x is equal
X
to
is equal to tan alpha into beta or beta tan alpha. B tan alpha, sir.
b tan alpha. B tan alpha. Put x here.
H plus b tan alpha is equal to b tan beta.
Bring this here.
Is equal to b tan beta minus b tan alpha.
Take b common.
B tan beta minus tan alpha.
Tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. Now I want only height of the tower means x.
So
X is equal to b tan alpha. I want only height of the tower. Only height of the tower. Height of the tower. X. X is equal to b tan alpha. What is b we got? What is b we got? H
by tan beta minus tan alpha.
And this alpha as it is. So this is your height of the tower. Hence prove that section. Okay, children, you have to copy them. You have to do 2-3 times. Then you will understand, children. Just by seeing or listening, you will not get, children. 100% guarantee you will never get. If you practice only, you will get it, children. Okay, children. I'll give a small example, children. Those who don't know, just I'm giving. Don't think I'm giving an example. Imagine this is water, children. Okay. If you want to learn swimming, by seeing videos or by listening videos, can you learn swimming, children? No, you can never learn. Just by practice, jump into the water, practice it, then only you get swimming. In the same way, do this numerical. Just don't see videos and don't think that you will understand everything. It's not for your parents or anyone. Please see, learn it, and later practice it. Then you will get. If you practice only, you will get. Just by seeing, you can't learn anything, children. You have to practice. Okay, this is first question. Second question.
Sir, last step can explain one thing.
Height of the tower, they asked me. No, height of the tower is x only, no? X is b tan alpha. B, I kept this one. B, I kept this one. This what I got here, I kept B here. That's all. Understood?
Oh.
After the rubbing, erasing, you ask. That's right. Yeah, next question, children. Please see here. So, children, the angle of depression from top of tower from 2 points A and B. Okay, this is your textbook question in different way they ask it. This is H here. 2 points. This is at distance A. This is at distance B. The angle of depression is one is theta, children, one is theta, other one is 90 minus theta. He said that Angles of depressions are complement to each other. Angles of depressions are complement to each other. Angles of depression is complement to each other. Is that same complementary? If one is theta, other is 90 minus theta. Okay. So if this is theta, this is also theta. If this is 90 minus theta, this is also 90 minus theta. Okay. He gave one distance is A, one distance is B. He is asking us to prove that H is equal to root of E by B. This is the question they're asking. Okay. A, B, C, D. For A, B, D, Bhavika, can you say for A, B, D, what is tan theta? Bhavika,
Yes, sir.
for A, B, D, what is tan theta?
Uh, H by A.
For A, B, C. Can you tell what is tan 90 minus theta?
H by B minus C. B, sir. Yes.
H by B. Okay.
Yes.
Tan theta is equal to H by A.
H by
Tan 90 minus theta is
cot theta.
cot theta is H by B. Can you please multiply this both equations?
Tan theta into cot theta is equals to H by A into H by B.
Okay.
H square by AB. AB is equal to H square.
H is equal to
Root AB.
root A. That's it. Next. So children, that is one more sum. Okay. So one more sum. Let's say children, now listen carefully. Okay, one more song I'm going to sing. Two stations of south of Leaning Tower. Children, there is a Leaning Tower like this. There is a tower, there is a Leaning Tower. Okay. Okay, two towers of due south of Leaning Tower, which leads towards the north or at the distance of A and B. This is A. This is B. This is tower is leading children. This is tower. I do like a 3, no problem, children. What is important, not important. Okay. Alpha and beta are the elevations. From here, alpha, beta. Question. Prove the inclination theta. Prove that inclination theta is equal to cot theta is equal to B cot alpha minus A cot beta by B. This is the question. Okay, children, this we have to do. Okay, so let me take this as some H. Okay, and this as some X. Whatever I am taking H and X should not be there in final equation. That's it. Okay, whatever I am taking should never be in the final equation. Okay, children. So Grishma, tell me A, B, C, tan theta, A, B, C, tan theta.
Yes, sir. Tan theta equal to H by X.
Tan theta is equal to, okay,
Tan
cot theta. According to the question, we will go. According to the question, what is cot theta?
X by H.
What is cot alpha? In A,
Cot.
B, D, cot alpha.
Cot A plus X by H.
A plus X by H.
X by H.
According to the question, we will go. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
A, B, E. In A, B, E.
B plus X by H.
1 second. A, B, E. What is cot beta?
Beta. B plus X by H.
B plus X by H. Okay, in A, B. Okay. So now what we will do is this we will like this. Okay? Here, A plus X, what we can write? A plus X is equal to
H into cot A. Cot alpha.
here B plus X, what is it?
Cot beta into
H
H.
cot beta. H cot beta. Now, according to the question, we have B minus A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I want B minus A, this minus this.
Subtract.
Okay, B plus X minus A plus
A
X.
plus X equals to H cot beta minus H cot alpha.
Open the brackets.
B plus X minus A minus X equals to H cot beta minus cot alpha.
This gone. What is B minus A?
Beta minus alpha equals to H cot beta minus cot alpha.
H minus cot beta. But I want cot theta. Cot theta we have X and H. H no problem, we have it. H we have it. What is H? B minus A by,
cot beta minus cot alpha.
now we want X also. We want X also. How do you find out X? X.
Cot alpha and
In
cot.
this or in this, anyway, it's sorry. This
Yes.
or this, you substitute H value, this as H value and find out X. Either here or here. Anywhere you can find out, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Where will you find out? First equation or second equation?
First equation.
Okay. A plus
Plus
H, how much
H
you want?
cot B minus A by
Yeah.
cot beta B minus A by cot beta
Into B minus A into cot alpha by cot alpha.
cot beta minus cot alpha.
Cot beta minus cot
Cot
alpha.
alpha.
We want X, no? Bring A here.
Yes. X
Sure.
equals to B minus A cot alpha
B minus A cot,
cot
alpha
by cot beta minus cot alpha minus A
No, X is equal to, what is LCM?
cot beta minus cot alpha.
This is one time. One time is B minus A.
B minus A cot alpha minus A into cot beta minus cot alpha.
A into cot beta minus cot alpha. I think you can't see this. Here I'm writing A into
Cot beta minus cot alpha.
A into cot beta minus cot alpha.
Cot alpha.
Now X is equal to, what is X?
B minus A
B cot alpha.
B cot alpha minus A cot beta A cot alpha minus A cot beta plus A cot alpha
Okay.
by cot beta minus cot alpha.
Cot beta minus cot alpha. Anything will get cancelled? This will get
A cot alpha and
So what we got X we got as B cot alpha minus A cot beta. B cot alpha
minus A cot beta by
by
cot beta minus cot alpha.
cot beta.
Cot beta minus cot alpha.
Now we want cot theta. Tell me cot theta. What is X?
Cot-
What is X?
B cot alpha minus A cot alpha A cot beta by cot beta minus cot alpha by
H is H.
B minus A
B minus A.
by cot beta minus cot alpha.
Cot beta minus
Cancel cot beta minus.
So what is left over? This is done.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So children, we have to go according to the question, children. How we will do, what you will do is we are practicing in exam. If you practice now, in exam you can do very fast. If not, you in the exam you sit and think, sir said like this, sir said like that, I will do like this. But if you do practice 2-3 times, children, in exam you will think very fast and your time will be saved, children, in doing other questions. Like this, one question will come, children. Tricky question, one question compulsory will come, children. You should not waste time on that. That will be possible only by practice. Okay, children. One more sum we will do like this, children. Normal sums anyone can do, children. That's why I'm saying little bit tough sums, children. Normal sums anyone can do. Fourth question, children. See here. From the angle of elevation of cloud from point H, children, there is a lake H. Okay, there is a lake. Please see here, children. There is a lake H. From point H above the lake, sitting on the boat, a person is seeing the cloud. A person is seeing the cloud. Okay, cloud. If this is H, means this is also H. Okay, person is seeing cloud at an angle of elevation alpha, and he is seeing the depression of reflection. This whole thing is reflecting in the water. This whole thing is reflecting in the water. Children, object distance is equal to image distance. In plane mirrors, you will study, children, object distance is equal to image distance. If this is H plus X, this is also H plus X. If this is H plus X, this is also H plus X. He is seeing this with a depression of beta. Let me take this as base B, children. Question is, he's asking, prove that the height of the cloud, is equal to H tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. Samhita, you will tell, Samhita,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me?
Ye-
Okay, now.
Sir,
In ABC, what is tan alpha?
x by b.
Fantastic. In CBD,
Tan beta is equal to h by x by b. No, h plus x by b.
H plus H plus X.
H,
H
yes, sir. H plus x by b.
2H plus
2h
X
plus x by b.
by B. So what is X?
B tan alpha.
What is 2H plus X?
B tan beta is equal to 2h plus x.
Substitute this here.
2h plus b tan alpha is equal to b tan beta.
Put it here.
2h is equal to tan beta minus b tan beta minus b tan alpha.
Take B
B
common.
common. 2h b is equal to b into tan beta minus tan alpha.
Now I want B you got no?
Yes,
X
sir.
X I want.
Then we can substitute this value in b tan alpha.
Okay.
X is equal to 2h into tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha.
But I want height of the cloud. Height of the cloud is nothing but H plus X. Height of the cloud is H.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then h plus 2h
Let's
2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha.
and becomes what does this mean?
Tan beta minus tan alpha LCM and h into tan beta minus tan alpha
Okay.
plus 2h plus 2h tan alpha.
This is
H tan beta minus h tan alpha plus 2h plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha.
okay. So tan beta 2H plus 2H tan alpha minus H tan alpha is H tan alpha.
H tan alpha.
This is H tan beta. This is H tan alpha.
So
By
that is 2h plus tan alpha, right, sir?
Huh?
H tan beta minus H tan alpha plus 2h plus tan alpha.
no,
right,
no,
sir?
2H tan alpha. 2H tan alpha.
Oh,
2H
yeah,
tan
yes.
alpha.
Sir.
This P is looking at plus.
Okay.
Take H common here. H common.
H into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha.
Hence prove. That's it. We have to do that one.
Okay.
Hence prove. So children, like that, children, slowly you should do one triangle, equate them, get the equation, whatever you want, substitute them. Put one equation, equate them, you'll get whatever you want. Okay, children. So next one more, like this one more. So the angles of elevation of cloud from point 60 meters above the lake, same application on this only children, application variety, same on this only, this some only application variety. Someone from 60 meters above the lake. Someone from 60 meters above the lake. 60 meters above the lake. What is it above the lake? 30 degrees angle of depression of reflection of cloud lake is 60 degrees. He's seeing cloud children at 30 degrees. He's seeing the cloud at 30 degrees. He's seeing and reflection he's seeing at 60 degrees depression. Okay, so children, if this is 60 meters, this is also 60. If this is H, this is totally 60 plus H. If this is 60 plus H, this is also 60 plus H. And this is B, this is B. What is the question you want, sir? Means find the height of the cloud. Height of the 60 plus H is the height of the cloud. 60 plus H is the height of the cloud. Okay, so height of the cloud we should find out, children. Vaishnavi, can you tell Nana? Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
come on. 1030. 1030 H by
So
B.
tan 30 equals h by b.
Tan 60.
60 plus h by
60 plus
b. 60 plus
plus
h. 60 plus 60 plus h by b.
60 plus H by B. 1 by root 3 is equal to
H by b.
root 3 is equal to
Root 3 equals to 120 plus h by b.
120 plus H by B. Okay, so B is equal to
Root 3 h.
so 120
Root
plus
3
H is equal to
Root 3 b.
B. Let's substitute here.
Yes, sir. 120 plus b plus equals to root 3 into root 3h. 120 plus equals to 3h.
Oh, sorry. This is
120.
120 plus b. This is, I'm sorry now. You have to put root 3h here now.
Yeah, sir.
120 plus
That's
h.
what I got
and-
doubt, sir.
No, 120 plus h. Correct only I kept correct only. Put here.
120 plus h equals to root 3 into root 3b.
Hmm.
3h. 120 equals to 2h. H equals to 60.
But I want the height of the cloud from the ground.
So 60 plus 60, sir. So it is 120.
120 meters above the ground. 120 meters above the ground. Samira, are you there? Samira? Samira, are you there? Okay. Hashish, are you there? Okay, children, see here. There's a balloon. Please see here, children. There's a balloon. Okay. Balloon with eye. Children, balloon with eye. With our eye. I am saying with the eye. It is making an angle of elevation of alpha with eye, children. Radius of the balloon is given as r. Radius of the balloon is given as r. Radius of the balloon is given as r. Okay. Now, with the ground, this balloon is making with the ground, this balloon is making an angle of beta. With the ground, it is making an angle of elevation of beta. Question is, what is the height of the balloon? Given that L is the length of the balloon, L is the length of the balloon. Given that, okay, so prove that the height of the, that's what L they did not give. Okay, we have to prove that. What we have to prove is height is equal to r sine beta cosecant alpha by 2. R sine beta cosecant alpha by 2. Okay, children. Seriously, you see, children, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is common side, and this and this are tangents variant point are equal. They both are congruent triangles. Because they are both are congruent triangles, this is alpha by 2. This is alpha by 2. Okay, children. Now, according to the question, what is cosecant alpha by 2? Anyone? According to the question, what is cosecant alpha by 2? Children, anyone? Imagine this is L. According to the question, cosecant alpha by 2, this angle, hypotenuse by opposite, L by R, hypotenuse by opposite. Children, only see this triangle. Hypotenuse by opposite. Next, can anyone tell what is sine beta? Sine beta. Opposite by hypotenuse. H by L. L is equal to R cosecant alpha by 2 and H is equal to L sine beta. Put here L, children. Put here L. So L is H is equal to L means R cosecant alpha by 2. Already we have sine beta. So this is given out. So that's it. Okay, those who did not understand the figure, I'm drawing again and see here, children. See, children, with the eye, if person is under, with the eye, it is making alpha. With the eye, it is making alpha. Means we'll get out in exam. How should we know? Means now we are practicing much that you should know. With the eye, it is making alpha. Means if I put this is alpha by 2, this is alpha by 2 because these both are common triangles. Okay, children, and with the ground, it is making beta. We have to find this H, right? Please see that this line and this line should not coincide because this is radius, this is height. Okay, children. So be careful with the diagram. Be careful with the diagram. 2 steps are only. Go according to the question. Go according. Why you did cosecant alpha by 2? Because it is there in the question. Why you did sine beta? Because it is there in the question. Go according to the question. Children. You didn't take any of your own value. Tan you will take. Cot I will take. I will take that. I will take this. You don't go according to your children. Go according to the question. Then it will become easy for you to follow something. Okay, children. One question. Please copy down, children, and practice each sum 2 to 10 times. Then you become perfect. Okay. A person is climbing a mountain. Children. Person is climbing the mountain When he saw from the bottom, or before just trekking, he saw the mountain top is at the angle of alpha. The mountain top is at an angle of alpha. Then he traveled a distance of k. Then, after going k, again he saw the top of the mountain. Now the angle of elevation has changed to alpha. Now the angle of elevation has changed to alpha. And when he's going to the mountain, he went at an angle of phi. Okay, children? When he is going on the mountain will be irregular. No, children, I'm not saying he's going into the mountain. Mountain will be irregular. No, this is the regular surface which I drew, but it won't be regular. He went at the distance of k at an angle of elevation of phi. After going k distance, again he saw the tip of the mountain at an angle of alpha. Now what we should do, sir, you ask. What we should do is, I'll show you also, children. We have to show the height of the cliff is total height of the cliff. Height of the cliff, we have to prove it as k cos phi sin phi cot alpha by cot theta minus cot alpha. Cot theta minus cot alpha. This we have to. Okay, children. So this I will take it as x. This I will take it as y. This I will take it as a. This I will take it as b. If this is a, this is also a. If this is y, this is also y. Okay, children. Can anyone help me how to find out cos phi? Can anyone tell me what is cos phi? Cos phi.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
So b by k.
B by K.
B by k. Can anyone help me sin phi? Sin phi.
Y by K.
Y by k, because opposite by hypotenuse. Can anyone help me cot alpha? According to the question I'm doing, cot alpha.
A by X.
A by x. Cot alpha is A by x. Can anyone help me cot theta? Full line.
B plus A by X plus Y.
B plus A adjacent by opposite.
Plus Y.
That's why that's it, children. If you are in a position to write this, everything you will get, children. That's all. Okay, children. Now see here. B is equal to k cos phi. Y is equal to k sin phi. A is equal to x cot alpha, and this we have to substitute here. When you substitute here, cot theta is equal to what is B, children?
K cos phi.
Cos phi. What is A, children?
Cot alpha.
X cot alpha. And what is X, children? X cot alpha. And what is Y, children? K sin phi.
Sir, how is X? X cot alpha, it is A by cot alpha.
One second. One second, sorry. What is B, children? What is B?
K cos phi.
K cos phi plus A is what?
X cot alpha.
X cot alpha. What is X?
A by cot
X
alpha.
is not there. X is not there. What is Y?
5 sin 5.
K
K phi.
sin phi. K sin phi. Okay, children. Now we want to remove X and X, children. Final answer X is not there. Final answer X should not be there. What is X? How to remove X is only problem, children. How to remove X, children? How to remove X? That is only problem. What will write X, children? What will write X? This X,
A by
children?
cot alpha.
No. What is X? Okay, children, what is X? We have to remove X, children. So to remove X, because in the final answer, X should not be there. Okay, we have to find out H, children, no problem, absolutely no problem. Okay, children, no, we have to find out H. Yeah, this you take it here, children, anyone take it here, Cot theta is equal to X plus K sin phi is equal to, what is this, children? K cos phi plus X
Plus
cot
X.
alpha.
Yes.
Okay, children, now I want, what is multiplication, children? X cot theta plus K sin phi cot theta is equal to K cos phi plus X cot alpha. Bring X here, children. Take K there, children. Okay, if you take like that, tell me, children, what happens?
Cot theta minus X cot alpha.
X
is
cot
equal-
theta minus X cot alpha
Alpha
is
is
equal
equal to
to K
5
cos
cos
phi
5
minus
minus K K sine 5
K
cot
cos phi minus K sin phi cot
Phi.
theta.
theta
Now take x common, children. X common, if you take K
minus
cos phi minus K sin phi cot theta
theta
by,
by cot theta minus cot alpha.
that's it, children. Now what we wanted? We want the height, children. Height means weight is there. We want height means x plus y, children. That's all. We want height means total height means we want x plus y. That's it, children. What is x? This one. What is y? K sin phi. That's all, children. This plus K sin phi we should add. If you add this both, children, you will get the answer. How much, children? X is how much? K cos phi minus K sin phi cot theta by cot theta minus cot alpha plus. What is y, children?
5
Sin theta.
K
K
sin phi.
phi.
Over, children.
LCM
If you
cot
simplify that, you will get the answer. So,
cot theta minus cot
oh, we
alpha.
are not able to see now here. So, children, shall I rub this? Children? Shall I rub this?
Yes.
Now, see, children, everyone, please. Now, take this as
Cot
LCM.
theta minus cot alpha LCM.
Cot theta minus cot alpha LCM, if you take. This will come
Phi.
as it is. This will come as it is. K cot,
K cos 5 minus K sin 5 cot theta
cot theta plus
plus 5 K sin 5 into
this
cot
will come.
theta minus cot alpha.
Cot theta minus cot alpha. Open the brackets, you get the answer, children. Open the brackets.
K cos 5 minus K sin 5 cot theta plus 5 sin K 5 sin into cot theta minus K sin 5 minus into cot alpha.
Right?
Cot theta minus cot alpha cancel.
Okay. So, in this and in this, what is common, children?
K.
K is common, children. That's all. If K is common, take K common.
H is equal to K cos 5 minus sin 5 into cot alpha by cot theta minus cot alpha.
This is cot theta, we got like
Cot
How did you cancel K sin phi cot theta and K sin phi
K,
cot?
instead of cancelling that
this I should cancel. This is correct only.
yes sir.
This both will be cancelled. This both will be cancelled. If you take K common, cos phi is coming out. Here sin phi cot alpha by cot theta minus
Minus cot alpha.
hence. That's it, children. Hence. So, children, you should just look carefully, children. I told you all these things we have kept it, and then I substituted in cot theta. Then I found out x plus y. I added. That's what, children. That's it. If you add, you get the answers. Next one. Next one. Please keep copying, children. Next time, please practice them. Okay. During the examination, it will be easy, children. Basing on this one, sum I will give application. On this only, I will give one sum. Okay. Question is like this, children. At the foot of the mountain, the angle of elevation of summit is 45 degrees. When he saw from down, it was 45 degrees. Then after ascending 1000 meters, he came 1000 meters down. Now he saw the angle of inclination at 30 degrees. No. He came at 30 degrees and now he saw it at 60 degrees. Question is, what is the height of the mountain? This is a question. Shall we substitute directly or will you do normally, children?
Will substitute sir.
We'll substitute this in exam, you'll go mad. I'll show substitution, children. I'll show normally also, children. I'll show direct substitution, see, children. This how much he came? 1000. What is cos phi, children? Cos phi. Cos 30. Sin 30. Cot alpha is how much, children? Cot alpha. 60.
60.
By what is cot theta originally? Cot 45 minus cot 60. That's it. If you do, you will get the answer, children. H is equal to 1000 into what is cos 30, children? Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cot 60 also 1 by 2. Cot 45 is 1 minus cot 60 is how much? Cot 60 1 by 3. Okay, so 1000 by root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 by root 3 is LCM, root 3 minus 1. Okay, so 1000 into 2 is 4 is the LCM children. 2 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, children, so this is going here. This is 4, 250 is up, this is going up, children. This is 750.
Sir, it is root 3, sir.
Huh?
Denominator root 3.
Oh, you know, so root 3 means it will not get cancelled. So 250 root 3, 250 root 3 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, children? So 250 into 3 is 500.
1500.
1500 minus 250 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. We have to go for rationalization, children. Okay, if you go for rationalization, 1500 minus 250 root 3 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus
Root 3
1 by
plus 1 by root 3 plus 1.
root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So children, so 1500 into, okay children, so 1500 into, okay, 1500 minus 250 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1.
Root 3 whole square minus.
Everything you have to simplify this into this into this into this into this, then by the substitution only this much big is there. Only substitution is so big. Okay, children, next one also. Next. So children, the question is they're asking the angle of elevation of top of tower. Children, you should be very, very careful with the sun because children, this is a 3D figure which I can't explain on the board, but anyway I will try. So children, this is here, north, south, west, east. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from point A. Children, here is a tower. Here is the tower. Okay, actually it is like this, children. I can't draw like this one. That's why I'm drawing like this, but this is perpendicular. That is perpendicular, children. Okay, high, the angle of elevation of cloud, no, sorry, angle of elevation of tower height of tower from point A due south of the tower is alpha. From here, children, from here somewhere, this is alpha. And due east of the tower is beta. From here, it is beta. From here, it is beta. Okay, so children, they are saying from point B, alpha and beta. So question is, AB is D. What is AB, sir? You ask. This is A, children. This is B. AB is D. AB is D. The distance between A and B is D. What is the question is? Prove the height of the tower is dy under root of cot square alpha minus cot plus cot square beta. Last question, children. Please try to cooperate with each other, all of you. See, children, this is like this, children. Those who did not understand, see here, children. This tower is like this, children. Okay, one fellow is seen from this point. It is at alpha. One fellow is seen from this point. It is at beta. One fellow is seen like this. It is alpha. Okay, it is alpha. One fellow is seen from this side. It is at beta. This angle is beta. Okay, children, the distance between this is. Okay, children. So, cot alpha. Can anyone help me? What is cot alpha? Cot alpha in this triangle. In this triangle, what is cot alpha? This is O.
Down value or
Cot alpha. OA. Cot alpha, can anyone say? Cot alpha
OA
is OA by H. Very good. OA by H. Can say cot beta?
OB by H.
OB by H. That's all. OA is what? H cot alpha. OB is what? H cot
Cot.
beta. Apply Pythagoras theorem for OAB. Apply Pythagoras theorem for OAB. D square is equal to
So
OA square plus OB square. Okay. So D square is OA square is what? H square
H cot
cot
alpha.
square alpha. OB square is what? H square
cot beta.
H square take common.
D H square into cot
Cos square
plus
beta. Square cancel, root will come down. H is equal to d of root of cot square alpha plus cot square beta. That's it. Okay, children, those who did not understand this one time and explain each other. This tower is like this, tower is like this. From here it is beta, from here it is alpha. Like this, this is right. From here it is beta, from here it is alpha. From here it is beta, from here it is alpha. Okay, children, because I can't draw like this, so I drew like this and I was showing alpha and beta, children. This is one right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle. This is the 90 degrees with the perpendicular, children. It is coming out of the page. It's a 3D figure, children. That's why I'm not able to show you. It is 3D figure. Children, did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last one question we will stop. Same like this question. That's why I'm saying, children, last one question. Same like this one, children. What is the question, sir? Saying the elevation of tower of station A due north of it is alpha. Same question. Again, okay. Same question. There is a tower. Here, there is a tower. Okay. The elevation of the tower from A, he is seen north, south, west, east. From here he is seen. That's why I'm drawing like this, but this is like this one. From here, it is alpha. This is H. Children, this H is actually like this. Children, I'm not able to draw also. Okay. And he's saying, and from station B to west is beta. From station B to west of A, children, west of A is beta. Exactly west of A, like this. West of A from here, the fellow is C, children, the fellow is C, this one. This is going like this, children. Yeah, from here he is saying it is exactly here it is coming like this, children. Okay, so that is going to be beta, children. That is going to be beta. Okay, with the ground children. Please try to understand. I know you people are getting confused with this. You have to draw from here, no sir. Why you are drawing from here? You are asking. Question is from A is taking B, children. I will read the question. If you want, you can listen. Derivation of tower from A is alpha. Due west of it, exactly west of it. Due west of it, the elevation is beta. We have to find out height is equal to AB sine alpha sine beta by under root of sine square alpha minus sine square beta. This is the formula. We have okay, children. So can anyone help me sine alpha? Can anyone help me sine alpha? Sine alpha for this one. Oh, don't see middle line, children. Don't see middle line. This is H opposite by hypotenuse.
H by
What will say some K will say.
H by
Yeah.
K.
H by
H
A.
by A. H by A. Sine alpha, children. Sine alpha. 1 second. 1 second. Question is sine square alpha minus sine square beta. Sine square alpha minus sine square beta means yeah. This is O. Cot. This is cot. Okay, children. Directly, if you take what happens means, children, HK will not get anywhere. HK will not get anywhere, children. It will become very difficult for us to solve. Let me do one thing, children. I want AB. Somehow I want AB. AB I want means I want this boundary. Can anyone tell Pythagoras theorem for OBA, children? OBA.
OB square is equal to AB square plus OA square.
That's all. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Somehow I want this. AB square I want means I want OB square minus OA square. That's it, children. There is no other alternative. AB square is equal to OB. Who is OB, children? OB by H. OB by H. Children, tell me cot beta. What is cot beta, children?
OB by H.
Cot beta what children? OB by
OB by
H.
H.
Thank you children. Please someone is saying. Cot alpha, anyone can help me? Cot alpha.
OA by
OA
H.
by H.
OA by H. So OB is what children? H cot beta.
Beta.
And OA is what children?
H cot alpha.
H cot alpha. Substitute this both here children. OB is what? H square cot square beta.
Beta.
And OA is what? H square cot square alpha. Okay, but question is sin alpha, sin beta are there children. That is the problem. Okay, what we will do for sin means first cot square beta, I can write it as cosecant square beta minus 1. And cot square alpha, what I can write?
Cosecant square alpha minus 1.
Plus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gone children. Okay, so what is h square? H square is what? H square is what children? AB square by cosecant square beta minus cosecant square alpha. Cosecant square beta minus cosecant square alpha. But he won't answer in sign. But he won't answer in sign.
One
One side no sir.
H square is equal to what will write children?
Cosecant by sin.
Yeah, 1 by sin only. I don't have page for it. I'm writing here. Yeah. Children, H square is equal to AB square by what is cosecant square beta?
1 by
One by
sin
sin
square
square
beta.
What is cosecant square alpha?
1 by sin square alpha.
LCM?
Sin square
AB
beta.
square by sin square beta
Sin
into
square beta, sin square alpha. And
by sin square alpha minus sin square beta.
this goes here. So H square is equal to
AB
square
square into sin square alpha minus
sin
sin
square beta by
sin square alpha
beta
sin square beta.
sin square alpha. Minus. So children, this root cancel, only this will be left over. That is one. That root I will give it down. The square get cancelled, and the square for down I will give it as root. That's all. That is answer. Children, this understanding is a little bit problematic in this because the 3D figures are not possible, children. That's why. Okay, this is there like this, children. From here one to see, from here another to see, from here one to see, from here another to see, like that. Okay, please give me your attention.